Hello everyone. Welcome to the Blender tutorial. Here I will teach you a step-by-step tutorial using 3D Blender software. This tutorial starts from basic to advanced level. Before seeing this tutorial, I suggest you look at the previous tutorial. You have also tried the Blender software after seeing this tutorial. If you don't understand, you can repeat it many times. Let's get started. Look at the tools on the left. We're in object mode. And this is in edit mode. Tools object mode and edit mode are different. Let's discuss extrude tools. Extrude region. Extrude manifold. Extrude long normal. Individual extrude. And extrude to cursor. If we click the extrude tools, a small yellow circle will appear. We just click and drag the line. We can also press X, Y, and Z to adjust the direction. Now we select two faces by pressing Shift and clicking on the next face, then we click on plus yellow color and drag it. Click this section, and drag it. Click this section, and drag it. Click the top face, and drag. We can also extrude the edge. Extrude manifold I will explain later. Extrude long normal. This will extrude in the normal direction. The normal direction of an object I will explain later. We select this face and this face by holding down the Shift button, then drag it. This is the normal face direction. Next, individual extrude. We try to select this part. Previously I pointed out the difference between the extrude region. Try to look at the extrude region. If we drag face, then the edges become one side by side. But if we use individual extrudes, the edges are separated. Next, extrude to cursor. This tool extrudes following where the cursor is clicked. Under the extrude tools is the inset face. Its function is to add a new face to the face we select. The hotkey of insert face is I. Click this face. Press I and a new face is created. From this face we can also extrude via the hotkey. Click this face, then press hotkey E to extrude. This is a bevel tool. We click the face and click the bevel, then drag the yellow plus. Then scroll your mouse to add segments. We can also create a bevel with the hotkey Ctrl B. Loop cut functions to cut objects with an edge in a loop. Click and slide, and the edges will add up. Position the loop cut, then click and hold your mouse, and drag it. Let's implement it in the example of making chairs. The first example. I really do not recommend it. Let's have a look. Here I start from the box, and I scale and duplicate it. Then rotate and slide it to form the back of the chair. Rotate -90 degrees x-axis. Shift position like this. The next step I duplicate again to make the legs. And slide it to position the chair leg. Scale box for chair legs. Rotate the y-axis 90 degrees. Then slide and position the chair legs. Shift D to duplicate the chair leg and drag it into position like this. Then slide and position the chair legs. Shift D to duplicate the chair leg and drag it into position like this. This method is not wrong, but I do not recommend it because it is too complicated. The second way is much simpler. Let's see. Scale the Z-axis. Switch to Edit mode. Then click the loop cut icon, then click the box, and drag it like this. Do the same on the other side. Then we select some faces by holding down the Shift button. Then click Extrude Long Normal and drag it. Very easy. And simpler than the first way. This is where we need to understand the tools in the Blender. I suggest you try to practice with simple objects first. With practice you will easily remember it. We start from the box. We're into Edit mode. We can change the object by dragging its face. Or drag the edge. Or drag the vertex. Switch to Object mode and scale it. Then return to Edit mode. Select Face and press E to extrude. And scale. E to extrude. E to extrude again. And scale. E to extrude. S to 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 scale. Then switch to Object mode, click the icon with the key, the Modifier Properties icon, and select Add Modifier, then select the subdivision surface. Change the viewport level to 3. Then we move to Edit mode and we adjust the edge. You can press Alt, then click on the edge to loop the selection. S to scale. 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 Very easy. Now we want to make a glass. First we add the subdivision surface to 2. Turn off the real-time display to see the objects in the box. We scale the z-axis. Switch to edit mode. E to extrude. Then press S to scale. E to extrude. E to extrude. Then press S to scale. E to extrude. E to extrude. Then press S to scale. E to extrude. E to extrude. This is a transparent or X-ray view. Then press S to scale. This is already a glass. And let's adjust it a little bit to perfect the shape. Follow my mouse movement to edit it. I will continue to the next tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel, so that I am more enthusiastic in making the next tutorial. Good luck, and thank you very much.